In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove A-plus content on KDP, a KDP tutorial specifically crafted for beginners. If you're finding yourself needing to make updates or clean up your A-plus content on your Kindle Direct Publishing account, you're in the right place. We'll walk through these steps with simplicity and clarity so you can confidently manage your content without a hitch. Let's dive in by opening the A-plus Content Manager. This is your first port of call. Think of the A-plus Content Manager as your central hub where all your enhanced content lives and breathes on your KDP account. You can navigate here directly from your KDP dashboard. Simply log into your account, head over to your Marketing tab, and locate the A-plus Content Manager. This is where you'll manage, edit, or remove any A-plus content linked to your books. Now that you're in, it's time to find the specific content you've applied and want to remove. In this case, you'll need to sift through your current content lineup to pinpoint exactly what needs to be removed. Be sure to review all the listings within the manager to ensure you have the correct content that you're aiming to take down. It's important to double-check here because once you proceed with removal, retrieving that content won't be as straightforward. Once you've identified the A-plus content you wish to remove, the next step is to select the option to remove it from the ASIN. The ASIN, or the Amazon Standard Identification Number, is unique to each of your publications. Navigate to the content, and you should see the option to Remove from ASIN. Clicking on this option is crucial, and be sure to do so carefully. This step effectively unlinks the A-plus content from the respective book listing, meaning it will no longer be displayed to potential buyers. Finally, you'll need to confirm the removal. After hitting Remove from ASIN, a prompt will likely appear, asking you to confirm your decision to delete this piece of content. It might feel like a double check, but it's an essential safeguard to avoid accidental deletions. Take a moment to ensure everything looks right. Once you hit confirm, that content is permanently removed from the ASIN. And that's it. You've successfully removed A-plus content from your KDP listing. Remember, managing and updating your A-plus content can be a vital part of keeping your bookstore updated, maintaining accurate information, and ensuring your publications look their best to potential buyers. Each removal is a step towards maintaining a professional and polished author portfolio.